The formal journey of AI began in the 1950s. Mathematicians and logicians, fresh from cracking World War II codes, turned their attention to a new challenge. Could machines think? British mathematician Alan Turing took center stage. He proposed the Turing test. A machine could be considered intelligent if its responses were indistinguishable from a human's in conversation. This idea ignited the field of AI research. Early efforts focused on symbolic AI, writing explicit rules for computers to follow. Computers could solve logic puzzles and play checkers competently. However, the real world proved too complex for a rigid set of rules. The 1980s saw the rise of machine learning, a fundamentally different approach. Instead of being explicitly programmed, machines could now learn from data. This paradigm shift opened up new possibilities. AI systems began to excel in tasks like image recognition and natural language. Today, AI is deeply intertwined with our daily lives. From personalized recommendations on streaming services to spam filters, AI works behind the scenes. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become household names. These voice-activated helpers can answer questions, set reminders, and control smart home devices. Beyond personal lives, AI is transforming industries. In healthcare, AI diagnoses diseases with greater accuracy and develops new drugs. AI tackles global challenges like climate change by analyzing massive data sets. It helps develop effective mitigation strategies and optimizes energy consumption. AI is also used to develop renewable energy sources. It monitors deforestation and other environmental concerns. AI stands poised to reshape healthcare in remarkable ways. Imagine diseases diagnosed before symptoms arise and personalized treatments tailored to your genetic makeup. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of genomic data, identifying subtle patterns. This allows doctors to predict disease risks and tailor treatments. AI-powered diagnostic tools analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy. They detect anomalies that even experienced radiologists might miss. This is crucial for diseases like cancer, where early detection improves outcomes. AI accelerates drug discovery by analyzing vast databases of molecular structures. It identifies promising drug candidates, reducing the time and cost of bringing new treatments to market. AI is revolutionizing our everyday lives. From self-driving cars to personalized education systems, AI reshapes homes, workplaces, and cities. Self-driving cars can communicate, optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion. This technology makes roads safer and commutes more efficient. Education is ripe for disruption by AI. Personalized learning platforms adapt to each student's strengths and weaknesses. AI tutors provide customized instruction and support. Smart home devices learn preferences and automate tasks. Imagine a home that adjusts lighting and temperature, plays music, and orders groceries. Embracing AI's potential requires addressing ethical considerations. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI systems is paramount. Bias in AI algorithms is a pressing concern. If datasets reflect societal biases, algorithms may perpetuate them. Transparency in AI is essential for building trust and ensuring accountability. Job displacement due to automation is a significant concern. Education and training programs are crucial for equipping workers with new skills. Addressing these challenges ensures a fair and equitable AI-driven economy. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, the future is both exciting and daunting. AI has the potential to solve humanity's greatest challenges, but also presents profound ethical questions. The choices we make today will determine AI's impact on our world. We need to approach this new era with optimism and caution. Embrace AI's transformative potential while remaining vigilant about its pitfalls. A thoughtful approach involves policymakers, researchers, and the public. Education and public engagement are crucial for navigating the AI revolution. Demystifying AI empowers informed discussions about its implications. The future of AI is in our hands. By embracing collaboration and ethical awareness, we can unlock AI's full potential.